Hey, I'm Amy. Welcome to my channel. Are you someone that really struggles to keep up with your cleaning routine? I'm here today to share with you the one thing that changed my cleaning game. Before I get started, I would love for you to go ahead and just like this video to get that out of the way. And if you like beauty, makeup, skincare content, and sprinkle in some book and cleaning, then I would love for you to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss a video and you can continue to learn and grow with me. So I'm here today to tell you all about the Fly Lady cleaning system. Last year, I really wanted to find something that was going to be able to help me to stick to my cleaning routine. Over the summer, as a teacher at the time, I would get my home, exactly the way I wanted it. Baseboards clean, carpets clean. I got into a routine, and then I really struggled to keep up with that once school started. I was really stressed out and tired when I got home, and I really wanted to do anything but clean my home. So last summer, I went on this little journey on YouTube to find some kind of system. I am the kind of person that likes organization and order. So I found the Fly Lady system. And this is something that really helped me because it sort of narrows down your focus. So you're not cleaning your entire house every week. You are doing a maintenance clean, and then each week you focus on a different zone in your home. And today I'm going to share with you the Fly Lady app. She has a website where you can go and kind of download some things, but I really found the app the most beneficial. So I'm going to take you on a tour of the app, and you're going to get to kind of see me do parts of the Fly Lady system to get my home kick-started for the week. And it's called the Weekly Home Blessing. On the Fly Lady app, it's organized into 3 different sections as part of like your checklist, your weekly cleaning checklist. You have your daily tasks that are morning, afternoon, and evening tasks. You have your weekly home blessing, which is, and we'll get into that, but it's like your surface level cleaning. And then you have your zone for the week, and that's where you're really going to focus most of your concentration. The goal of this is that your daily tasks are sort of your upkeep. You do that every day, and then your cleaning for the zone time and your weekly home blessing don't take as long. And your weekly home blessing is there to make your zone cleaning a lot faster and a lot easier. You're going to have less tasks to do because you've been doing all of this maintenance cleaning every week. So let's go ahead and take a look at the app, and I will describe the different sections and show you some pretty cool features on the app, and then we'll get to cleaning. When you open the Fly Lady app, this is where you get. This is your homepage. And I don't really pay attention to this too much, except sometimes I do click on the daily mission. And every month there's a certain habit that she's trying to instill in you. Last month it was drinking water. This month is the swish and swipe. The swish and swipe is a very cool routine that honestly I don't do every day, but I do it at least 2 or 3 times a week. And it's to swish your toilet bowl every day, or many times throughout the week, and wipe down the toilet seat and the counters and the sink. And so that is really going to be able to help you when you clean your bathrooms. Those are the dirtiest things. And so if you do that a couple times a week, then you have less things to do when the bathroom is your cleaning zone. So we have, these different things that you can use. I start to click on my progress. And my progress has which I've already kind of swiped away, the morning routine. So the morning routine, the afternoon routine, and the evening routine are your daily tasks that you do every day. I'm going to show you something really cool because on the app, it has that you are supposed to unload your dishwasher in the morning. Well, that doesn't happen in the morning in our house because that's one of my daughter's chores, and she does that in the late afternoon. Well, I'm going to show you how I'm going to actually I'm going to unload the dishwasher to the afternoon because that is one of my daughter's chores, and she does that in the afternoon. So these are very customizable. If you want to edit those different things, if you want to take them away, all you have to do is hit the edit, the little pencil at the top, and then you can edit by the pencil and you can delete as you need to. Okay, so let's look at the current zone. My current zone right now is my master bedroom, master bathroom, and closet. And as I click on those things, this is actually perfect because this is the last area in my home that I need to deep clean before I move. And so here is the list of all of the normal things that I should do. Like, I don't really need wash area rugs because I don't have area rugs in my in my bedroom. So I took that away. And I can even probably take away makeup, but that's okay. All right, so as you are done, you can check them, and they are gone. Master bedroom, here are all of the different chores that you get to do from there. And your closet, here are the different ones. So those are the kinds of things that you're supposed to do in the zone. If those don't fit your lifestyle, take them away. If you want to add something, then click that little plus button at the bottom and you can add it. Now, the weekly home blessing is the one that I really love the most because these are your maintenance chores. These are the things that if you do this every week, your home is going to feel fresher just automatically, just naturally. And this is what I am going to tackle today. I'm already changed the sheets, so I'm not going to do that right now with you guys because I've already done that. But I'm going to take you along getting the other things cleaned just so that my home is fresh. And routines is this, and the zone was your zone for the week. But it's cool because you can also see what's coming up. So like next week I would be doing the living room. Courses, I don't really do anything with that. Usually on the weekly home blessing, I start with the easiest things just to get some momentum. And as a disclaimer, usually my daughter is helping me with these chores, which definitely makes it go faster. So first, the easiest thing, empty out all of the trash. The next easiest task, clean off all the mirrors and the windows. Now we've created some momentum, so let's knock off those last 3 chores. I am going to vacuum my living room and my kitchen. To be honest, I am normally a working mom, and the thing I love about Fly Lady is that you can customize it to fit your needs and your schedule. So for me, I don't vacuum my entire house every week. I usually do the bedrooms every other week. Our high traffic areas are the living room and the kitchen/dining room area. So that is what I'm really going to focus on today. And I really only mop the kitchen dining room area. And now I'm going to dust. And that's the last thing that's on my weekly home blessing. Again, right now we're moving and things are sort of like all over the place. And I'm really focusing on deep cleaning each room a little bit at a time. So I'm only gonna dust the living room today. I've already dusted my daughter's room, and my bedroom is the last room to like get a super deep clean. So I will do that at a later time. But normally, yes, we kind of like quickly wipe all those things down as part of our weekly home blessing. So let's get to dusting. So I have completed my weekly home blessing. I would say that probably takes about 30 minutes if you start and don't stop until you're finished. And of course, I usually get done a little bit faster because my daughter helps. Now, what I usually do is I do my weekly home blessing on one day, and then the next day I start my cleaning zone for the week. So with that being my master bedroom and bathroom and all of that, I would start that tomorrow, and that's going to look a little different for me because I'm trying to do a really deep clean, thorough clean of my home. And so that is how I really have transformed and been able to keep up with the cleanliness of my home. It's not perfect. I don't do it all every day, and there's lots of little ins and outs of the Fly Lady system that I can continue to share more about, but I really wanted to kind of like introduce you to the app, introduce you to the concept, and introduce you to the weekly home blessing so that you can get an inspiration to go and bless your home today. I will see you in my next video. Bye. Damn.